Hello everyone, my name is Yuhan Dai. I have compared the usability of Excel and numbers. Excel is a powerful piece of data processing software, but numbers is more friendly to the students and the staff who do not need special professional data processing. So I will talk about numbers that I found usable for audience. This is a spreadsheet for numbers. First, I can change the text format. I need to highlight the table, click the format here, and click text, and I can change the text format here. Let's adjust to the centered format. The second point, I can individually drag a cell to change its position like this. The process is very simple. Or I can just drag an entire row like this. Or I can just drag an entire column like this. The process is much easier than Excel because we cannot do this operation in Excel. I can also get the chart of this table. First, we need to highlight the table, and then we click the small window above the table. The small window, we click chart, and then we can choose a type of chart we want, like this. Okay, the chart is generated, and we click the chart, and on the right window, we can do some fix on it. We can change the chart styles or add some titles. It's very convenient. I also want to talk about the filter. We need to highlight the table and we click organize here. And we click filter, and in this button we can add a filter. There are so many filter options, and it's very convenient because each filtering option is divided into other options. But there is a problem. The filtering function cannot be enabled when merging cells in the table, like this. There is a merging cells. Now we can see the filters are unavailable. So, although this is a small problem, the overall operation of numbers is simpler and easier to understand than Excel. Finally, I hope my video would be helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can contact me. I wish you have a good day.